Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another unboxing and flip through video. Today we're going to take a look at the Star Temple Oracle by Suzy Cherub. This retails for $25.95 and it's a fairly new release published by Blue Angel, and the artwork is by Laila Savolainen. Yeah, I'm sorry if I butchered it. Okay, so this is a fairly new release, like I said, and I was really drawn to the artwork because it looks really like hyper realistic. I guess that's what you want to say for the artwork. It just looks really cool. So it's 44 cards and a guidebook, and it says embody your sacred feminine powers and receive interstellar guidance with this glistening oracle from author, speaker, and intuitive coach Suzy Cherub. The ancient wisdom of the Pleiades is weaved together with present-day mysticism to bring you uplifting and relevant insight. The Star Temple Oracle has been birthed to support your learning, creativity, awareness, and growth. Connect with the eternal knowing of the stars and let your intuition flow. Stunningly illustrated with illuminating messages to light up your intuition and help you shine. So, I'm excited to get into it. It is a box with a top and, just the little tissue coating thing there. All right, so here we go. Oh, all right. I'm not hating the art at all. So look at that back. Uh-oh. We have like a little bit of a malfunction, but that's okay. That is totally fine. I can work with that. So look at that beautiful backing. Oh, very cool. So before we get into the cards, let's take a look at the guidebook real fast to see if there is anything of note that we need to look at. Let's see. Welcome to the Oracle, the Seven Sisters of the Pleiades, how to work with the Oracle, and then some spreads. And then it goes into the meanings, and it looks like they're grouped. So we have the Maya series, the Aclone series, Electra series, Savolainen series, and I'm pronouncing these all wrong, I'm sure, Taygeta series, Cherub series, Merope series, and Atlas and Peloni series. So they must be the Seven Sisters? We'll find out. Let's see. The Star Temple Oracle was birthed to help you embody your sacred feminine powers. By combining the interstellar guidance of the Seven Sisters of the Pleiades with the power of your own inner oracle, intuitive insights will flow effortlessly to you. The stars of the Pleiades are celebrated in numerous philosophies and mythologies around the world. The Seven Sisters represent 7 universal feminine archetypes. These 7 beings embody different qualities of the divine feminine, and each is encrypted within ancient mythology. Here you are invited to immerse yourself in the starlight of the Pleiades and align your higher streams of consciousness to integrate sovereignty and collective unity. The Star Temple Oracle is a celestial tool that offers sacred clues, hints, and signs. Each card is a stargate to universal wisdom and to your own inner temple. The Sage Sisters of the Pleiades inspire you to deepen the messages within your own intuition and interpret the oracle insights for significant and empowering direction. Simply trust and know that you are divinely guided. Each card is infused with distinctive feminine qualities and all align with a dedicated goddess archetype, chakra, and crystal. The chakras are intuitive portals that energetically connect us to our multidimensional aspects: physical, emotional, spiritual, and mental. The individual crystal companions enhance the link to each of the 7 sisters. Shoot for the stars. As you immerse yourself in the Star Temple Oracle and embody the divine archetypes, your soul will take flight and soar into the stars. All right. Let's see how to work with it. So let's just take a look real fast at the 7 Sisters of Pleiades. The Pleiades is an open star cluster located in the constellation of Taurus. It is one of the brightest and most visible constellation in our night sky. The 9 brightest stars in the cluster are named for the 7 sisters of the Pleiades from Greek mythology: Maya, Aclone, Electra, Kalenio. I cannot pronounce these to save my life. Taygeta, Astrope, and Merope, and their parents Atlas and Peloni. Okay, that makes more sense now. While their most known stories come primarily from Greek mythology, the Seven Sisters have been the subject of myths and legends in many other cultures all around the world, including Japanese, Chinese, Indian, Hindus, the Maori, people of New Zealand, and numerous language groups of Aboriginal Australia. Okay, so 6 cards are dedicated to each of the 7 sisters and 2 cards to their parents, Atlas and Pleione. Each card in a cluster, or the 6 Maya cards, explores a different aspect or lesson of that star being. The energetic qualities and physical characteristics of each sister have been intuitively channeled to reflect and honor the rich and diverse cultural history of the Pleiades star constellation. You're invited to connect intuitively with each of the sisters and the divine feminine power they personify. Okay, so then it goes into consecrating your deck, preparation, connecting, using the temple. Let's see, some spreads for you. Cosmic, Insight, Triple Grid, Star, 7 Sisters, and then it goes into each of the cards. Okay, sorry, I just wanted to make sure, since this is a new deck to me, I wanted to make sure I knew what the deck was about. And that way we can further look into it. All right, so I'm excited. Okay, the Ancient Grandmother Teacher. I am the teacher that leads with self-knowledge. That is really cool. Okay, so it gives you the star cluster or the sister, and then the title of the card, what it is, and then a little mantra or a, mantra, I would say. So the cardstock is actually really nice. It's not too thin, but it looks like it is going to be very pliable and snaps back. Ooh, okay. Sorry. The allergies are going crazy with the itchies. This is gorgeous. I am loving the constellation type theme going on here. It's absolutely gorgeous. The cards do really feel good in the hand. I feel like this would be a great deck for beginners as well. Tickle in my throat. Sorry, guys. Be a great beginner deck because it's giving you all the information right on the card. There is diversity here, and that is exciting to see. Both masculine and feminine energies coming in here. Gorgeous. Yes, super beautiful. All the different pretty colors too. Oh, precious. Yeah, they are very smooth, almost the buttery texture. So that feels really good in the hand. They glide really nice. They're about your average oracle size. So no borders, they're numbered, so you can flip right to that page to get your information. Fantastic. So again, very beginner friendly, and you can very well use that guidebook to your advantage. This is beautiful. I'm so excited about this. So what we'll do is we'll finish up here with going through the cards, with flipping through, and then we'll see how it shuffles. That's adorable. Oh my gosh. We'll see how it shuffles, and then we'll see when we pull a card how the guidebook will be read. So we'll get the information from the card from the guidebook, So that way you'll have all the information that you'll need in order to make a decision if you would like to go out and get this deck. This is not sponsored. I'm not paid for these videos. If that ever happens, I will definitely let you know. So I'll link everywhere I know that you can get this deck in the description box below. They're not going to be affiliate links. They're just links to places you can purchase. They're definitely beautiful. Wow, I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh, it's like, I wonder if it's two. Yeah, it is two snakes wrapped around them. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Take a really good look. See if you can see what I see. Does that not remind you of Jason Momoa? Like the facial features and his hair and his beard. Okay, this just might have become my favorite card. All right, and then our last one here, if I can get it in focus. All right. Love it. Okay, sorry. Yeah, Jason Momoa. Woo! Gorgeous. All right, it shuffles beautifully. I love the back of it. Absolutely love the back. All right, let's see how it shuffles this way. Oh yeah, no issues. It's just user error for me. All right, can we get one card? Well, ask and you shall receive. Okay, so this is Alcone. Goodness sake, could we give me any more harder to pronounce words here? Ecopius the Seer. So it says visionary, and the saying says, I chart the stars, signs, and symbols to craft magic. All right, so number 9, let's go to number 9 here. And we get a page, and it has some star words, see, signs, and symbols. Alcone's son, Equipetus, is an intuitive visionary that has the clairvoyant genius to see and interpret magical signs for forecasts and manifestation. He reveals that you have the potential for transcendent sight, astrology, and enchanted powers. Open your eyes and see the signs. Equipetus' name means all-seer, and his spirit animal, the raven, symbolizes magic. His totem is a pair of antlers that represent his divine wisdom. Invoke Equipetus, I'm so sorry, for spiritual guidance to understand and decipher your visions, symbols, and prophetic dreams. Embodying his divine qualities will open mystical pathways for you. All right. So it does look like you get like a keyword or what it is, and then a little mantra, and you get some words and, you know, little information there. That's exciting. So, I mean, it doesn't go into like this big old long story of who the person is. It gives you a bit of who they are and what they're about. And then it gives you, you know, what you could use for the divination. So honestly, I have no complaints about this. Would I like more information? I would always love more information. And it looks like if we look at the beginning of the group here, it says Alcone series. In the beginning, it gives you, actually gives you how to pronounce it. Yes. Alcone. Alcone. All right, anyway, so it gives you how to pronounce it, and then it tells you about it. So this is the brightest star in the Pleiades star system, and then it gives you the chakra, so it'll be sacral, and then the crystal would be moonstone, and then it gives you brief history and mythology, and then the archetype, which would be the Empress. So, okay, great. So it gives you actually more information. Perfect. Okay. So yeah, I don't have anything negative to say about this deck at all. I feel like if somebody is into like, if you're into like the star seed stuff, this would be a great deck for you for that. If you are into, you know, the Greek myths, this would be great for you. If you are into just stars and cosmology is what I wanted to say, but that's not exactly astrology. All of these things, right? I swear it's getting late in my general area right now, so like my mind's not exactly sharp, as you can see. But anyway, if you're into this sort of thing, this would be perfect for you. I think it's great for beginners. I think the price is a really good price for the quality. I think that one card that I stumbled across that peeled the corner a little bit, I think that was my fault. I might have done something to it. Even so, the card quality is really great. I love that there are no borders. I love that it gives you the information. The artwork is stunning. I don't know if I would price it at $26. I don't know, because I mean, it's only 44 cards, and the guidebook, I mean, I could use a little bit more information for the price tag. However, really impressed with the art, really impressed with the concept. And I love that there's diversity. I love that it's very much, you can pick this deck up and use it right away. You don't have to have any type of, adjustment period to it at all. Again, stunning art, no complaints that way. Again, the only negative I see is that the price might be a little too high. It is a fairly new release, so if you can get it a little bit cheaper in a couple months, maybe that might be the case for some of you. But honestly, no complaints. So I would love to know if this has even been on your radar, because this was kind of one that kind of flew underneath mine for a little bit. If this is something that you're into, if this is something that you're excited about, let me know what you think about this deck in the comments. If you enjoyed this video and my craziness, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. That way you'll never miss a video upload from me. I have a lot more videos of unboxings and flip throughs and that sort of a thing geared up and ready to go, as I am now back to my day job. So there might be a little less my dogs, there might be a little less pick cards from me for a minute whilst I adjust to the new routines. So please be patient with me, and I really appreciate your patience. Thank you so much. And I am getting through the deck requests. So if there's a deck that I have not yet done an unboxing or review on my channel, and you're interested in me doing one, let me know down in the comment sections as well, and I will do my best to get to it. And again, look at the playlist and see if your deck has already been made a video on. And then, yeah, so I've got the requests coming up. I've got more stuff coming. I'm just excited because there's a lot more coming for this channel, and quicker than I ever thought. So I'm excited, and I hope you are too. And thank you so much for watching and for sticking with me and having fun with me. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.